depensa po kayo.
Tumakan ka na ang laro. Ikit ang laban. Congrats, number 16. Oh, Steve. Scramble. May laban na pala.
Makoy, Joel, Corio, Malik Bio, 27 foul,
Grabe ni
legit
violation.
foul, number 27.
May pinalaban. Number
Makoy.
3. Violation. Violation. Good call. Nakita ko rin, natapakan. Number 13, inbound pass to number 21.
Intercepted by Makoy.
Number 3, pushing foul. Number 13 to number 16, time remaining is 5 minutes and 57 seconds. Number 16, do one drive. Hey. To number 6, lead. Ayos. Timbo na na. Ron Jonathan.
Big Maga,
Good drive ang number 16.
Chris, Makoy,
Time remaining, 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Score, 24-21. Favor of Bulacan. Number
Limang
6.
Barbuda,
Number 8, tumira ng libur. Pumasok. Nakuha uli din number 13. Number 13.
Rick Roy,
Sumasagasa.
at Patsu Bigyan ka.
Ano na yun? Dropless na yun.
Basket is good. 47
Bring
feet,
2 points. Another
11 here.
13 to number. Foul. Who's foul rep? Number 8.
11 here.
3 points. Back.
Limang by number 27. Rebounds by number 40.
Second attempt, another 1 point by number 13. Nahusay sa free throw pala to si number 13. Yes, 3 out of 3. Time remaining, 4 minutes and 48 seconds. Good. 2 points by number 3. Bulacan. Oh,
Rebound.
okay.
22-14. Wala na po na mga sila.
Change item. Score 26-26. Deadlock. Time remaining 4 minutes and 31 seconds. Number 24 inbound pass to number 14. Dekinya to number tumira ng 3 points si number hindi bumasok. Offensive rebound. Number 9. 2 points. Yung drive. Ay steal ni number 9. Nasa kay number 14. Dekinya.
2-4-2.
Panaksak.
Beyond.
Pinot, number 24, Tumo. 30-26. In favor of Rizal. Time remaining 3 minutes and 54 seconds. Dumbrag si number 25, pass to number 89 to 26. Ball right. Number 1, Dumbrag. 8 seconds shot.
Who's more better?
Pass break to number 22. Tumo.
Number 27.
Time out, ref. Time out. Who's foul rep?
2-4-2.
26. Holding foul. Time out, rep. Time out, Bulacan. Time remaining, 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Three minutes and 30 seconds. Time remaining. Score 13-26 in favor of Rizal. De Quina, number 14, inbound. Pass to number 24. Olivario to number 12.
Walang sampu na ball na mau.
Number 37. 2
Grabe.
points to number 37. 21. Pass to number 24. Right. Oh, steal by number 2 points by number
Tapos ito po kalaman, 18-30.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Pass to number 21. Santos. Pinasa sa ilalim, number 89. No good. Rizal, rebound. Number 37. Sumalagsak sa gitna.
Chase 5.
24. Number 14. 09.
Ano, time out?
No good.
Time out ba?
Another 34-26. Walaksak si number 37. Knock. Time. 21, Dubai.
Intercept by Sanders. Jason, Ilea.
Number 89. Point. Score 34-28. Favor of Rizal. 1 minute and 29 seconds. Number 37. Focus. 8. Binalikan 24. 2 points. Number 24. 3 points. Number 24. 3 points.
Warning for penalty ang ano.
2 points by number 20. 1 minute and 1 second. 37. To number 14, De Quina. Tumira. Hindi pumasok.
3 goals by Solis. 25,
Rolong pass.
30, di pa nalaman lamang.
Number 9. 36 seconds. 21. Right. Foul.
Rolong by Solis.
Number 14. Number 9.
Jason.
9. 9. Foul. Number 9. Free throw.
Jump ball. Traveling. Time out.
Number 21.
Left Garcia.
First man, no good. Time remaining 11.5 seconds.
3 minutes and 54 seconds left for the second quarter.
Pass to number 21. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Score 37-31. Naman po ang Rizal. Sige na po tayo.
Bola ng Rizal.
Chase court po tayo ha, chase court.
Gregorio, number 1. Blocking foul. By number 1.
Pwede na po tayo mag-usap niya, anytime na gusto ng coach. Open na po tayo, open.
Ah, 2 points na, 2 points na.
2 points by number 21. Number 13 to number 37, Villante. Villante, crossover move. Pass to number 13, tumira sa 3 points. Very good. Okay, Bulacan ball. Time remaining, 9 minutes and 19 seconds. Score, 37-33. In favor of Rizal. Pinasa sa gitna, number 21. Hindi pumasok. Nakuha ng Rizal, number 37. Pinababa po na Umray. Pass to number 3. Rebound by number 6. Cristobal. Number 13. Meseñas, pumanaw. Ganda ng pass.
Tayo, pumasok sa gitna.
Bulacan ball.
Foul.
Pinas break to number 9, deep break. 2 points by number 9.
Penalty.
Walang bantay ah. Score po natin is 37-35 in favor of Rizal. 2 points. Advantage. Number 24. Crossover. Number 37 to right. Traveling violation by number 37. Travel time. Number 6 to number 3. Okay, wala pa, wala pa. Okay, waiting na tayo, waiting. Number 16, natay na tayo ng deadball. Number 16, right? Binalik yung number 2. Counted, rep. Outtake. Number 9, foul. Okay, substitution, rep. Okay, pasok na po. Okay, meron tayong bonus siya kay Marsan. Number 3, ng Rizal. Ang score po natin ay 39-38. Substitution na, rep. Mamaya na, bonus na. Bonus siya. Number 3. Okay. Rebound by number 9.
8 seconds regulation.
To number 21, tumira na 3 points. 3 points. Number 21. Yan ang napilawang Bulacan. 41-39. Time remaining is 6 minutes and 56 seconds. Tumira din ang Rizal. Number 24, 3 points. Palitan na ano to. Number 3, nasa ilalim, nahirapan.
8.
Number 6, holding foul, number 6.
Basket.
Substitution.
No time left.
Substitution.
No time left. 13.